Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the most basic but most delicious green beans. I really like the taste of green beans, so when I make them, I like to still know that it's a green bean, right? So it's very simple. This was something I've eaten for a long time since I was a little girl. My mom would make it for us, so I'm gonna share with you. It's really easy. It's simple. It's not even like a recipe. It's more of like an idea or how to, but they're absolutely delicious. So I hope you guys enjoy.